Good morning. I'll show you how I make my bread. So I added 3 cups of gold medal flour. So now I'm adding some poppy seeds, some flax seeds. You can add as much as you want, it's up to you. I'm adding a lot usually. So some sugar, some sea salt, and little butter, and cup and a half of fresh water. So all you have to do is turn the bread machine on. I usually choose, let's see, not bake, because this is 4 hours and it's almost lunchtime, so I need it to be ready in an hour and a half. So I choose Bake Rabbit. It's large, size is large, crust is dark, and I select start. So now